Hey guys, this is David with Voodoo Vintage in Austin, Texas. I'm here to show you my modified Harbor Freight tubing roller that we've just fabricated. What you're looking at here is the stock Harbor Freight tubing roller body with a few modifications to it. The dies for rolling the tubing, I have 1¼ inch dies loaded in it right now, and the dies were purchased from SWAG Offroad. This guy does custom roller dies for this Harbor Freight tubing roller, and he does it specifically for tubing and pipe, which as you know have different measurements, ID and OD. So for about I believe it was $85 to $100, you can get a set of custom dies from this guy, which includes a stainless steel shaft with keyed flats on it for the rollers itself. Also, what I've done was added a 1.5 horse electric motor with an 80-to-1 reduction transmission on the front. I've purchased sprocket and chains from McMaster's, and combined, what we've done is turned this manual tubing roller into a power feed tubing roller. And anyone who's ever used a manual tubing roller would know the benefit of this. What I've done was I've cut my work down from rolling a tube from about 30 minutes, 40 minutes down to about 5 minutes. So if you can imagine, if you're doing this every day, the time savings and benefits of a construction like this would definitely pay off. I have a total of about, I don't know, $600 invested in this thing. I haven't sat down and done the exact paperwork yet, but the frame itself is fabricated from 2" by 2" by 3/16 tubing. 1/4 inch top plate that the stock roller mounts on, and then also fabricated the motor mount and riser brackets, everything like that. Located on top, I have a 2-pole, 2-throw direction switch, and right now it's actually backwards, so I'll have to fix that later on, but also have a temporary power switch. So this is a bi-directional motor, so you can turn the direction either way using the toggle switch and then give it a little bit of power to feed. The bottle jack, simply enough, just a little 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. It's a lot easier to use than that rotary press that came stock on the unit, and that's the reason for the 8" riser plates on the unit. I simply relocated that stock plate that was on top of the Harbor Freight tubing roller 8 inches above, and simply inserted the bottle jack to press down on the drive roller. We'll show it to you in action. This motor, like I said earlier, is capable of putting out 96 foot-pounds, and what I found in order to turn 1¼ inch tubing is that you would need approximately 45 foot-pounds. So we've got double the foot-pounds of torque necessary on this thing. We could actually reduce the drive roller on the motor down a little bit and get a little more speed, but I think we have plenty speed, and also allows us a little more control. Now, I'm going to give it a shot and see if I can film this. It's going to be a little shaky, but here it goes. We'll show it to you in action. I'm going to turn this the right direction, and we'll give it a little bit of feed. And that's our modified Harbor Freight tubing roller in action. Anyone have any questions about specifications or dimensions? I'd be glad to happily answer the questions for you. I also have some DXF CAD plans that I plan on putting on my website for free download. If you need any parts cut out, we do offer CNC plasma service. So if you need any of these motor mounts or risers cut out, or spacer plates, anything like that, we'd be happy to help you out with that. We might even put just a basic package together, something we could mail you flat, and then you could weld it together yourself. And that's it. Anyone have any questions, you can reach me at david@voodoovintage.com. Thank you very much, guys.